All right, what's good, y'all? So the goal for today is to get tracking of the time edited um done or at least started, but I need to edit this because this needs to be moved over here. Um Reason being is what we can do is make this an array of untracked files within a given repo, right? How do I move this? There we go. So this will correspond with this index wise. Can I? Oh, that's not what I meant to do. I want this. Indices correspond with one another, and then we can make this different because this is just like a connection thing. Let's do, sure. And then what we'll do is if we edited one of these, we now, I want to change this back. Oh, I was already on it. Boop, boop. And now, if edited, now updates untracked files. Right? So this doesn't need its own time edited. Reason being is we're checking the folders. So if an untracked file got changed, then we would have checked this too. Actually, no, we should have that. So this is time edited for each file, untracked file. So now if we update this, we now just need to check which ones need updated, if at all, if any. Oh, that doesn't do what I thought it did. All right. Yeah, this is gonna be a bitch, but let's put this here. So what we need to work on right now is just this. So can I change this? Let's do this. So every tick. Yeah. Okay. So we'll go here, projects, get stats. I forgot to start this. Oops. So we're looking at the source. We already should have already created repo modified times, yes. And this should be an array of these. Okay. So let me go to my reference that I made yesterday. Time, and then labs, time difference. That's what we're looking for. So what we're gonna do is in updates, we need to originally get the values into the thingy. So update. Is source update. Oh, another thing of it being slow potentially multiple updates, but we'll figure that out later. Oh, right, I gotta search it. Oh, here it is. Okay, so we have all of this. And then, yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Tracked. Right, so when we do these are the single repos. And what we want to do is we really want to add a function for this. So we can say like, we're gonna return a pointer to structing. So we're gonna return struct tm, and then we're gonna name it what? Get modified time of, what do I have? I should have check path. Yeah, I have the path. So we'll just take in a path, and then it'll be the same as this, where we have struct stat, the attributes. Does stat set error no if it fails? And stats. That's not what I needed. How do I specify get C man page version? Stat. Oh. Okay, that's what I did do. It doesn't set error now. Okay, cool. So we need to do checking of this too. Error no equals 0. If error no, just print. I think I could just do p error. Oh, yeah, I am missing that. You're so right. Okay. So error no equals 0, and then if, no wait, we need to stat it, so we have the file name and then the attributes that we're going to put in. If error no, return null, and then we want to print it for a debug. So it'll be this. Except not a warning. This doesn't really matter. Debug. Right. So that's that. Error no. So now we have the attribute, and then We need another checker because we're going to do this is the actual time we're going to return. What does it return on failure? Because can I just flat out return this? Man, local time. Okay, local time. Well, never mind, because if we had an error on the previous one, then that would be the problem. Shouldn't give me something wrong. So maybe we can just omit this and then return local time for the attribute of modified time, st modified time in seconds. Right, so that returns the pointer too. Yeah. So that should give us the modified time. We also need to put this in an interface in the .h. Oops, I want it at the bottom. Right. Okay. Let me make sure I do this right. I could also relinquish that because we'll be doing that anyway. Wait. Time t used for time in seconds. Can't we just use seconds? Where's seconds? TV underscore sec. Oh, M time. Yeah, so we would have to still make it. Because this is just a really long integer that converts it to that. Right. Just for time in seconds, according to POSIX. No, I'm looking for make time. Both take an argument representing broken down time. Broken down time is short TM. So I should be able to just be like, oops, source. Oh, right, source.h. Should just be able to be like, okay, give me time underscore t. And I want an array of those. Oh. right? Time and a pointer to such, and an array. How'd you say an array? It's not at the end of struct? Oops. Interesting. I don't know how that works at all. What you finna figure out? Actually, I could just test it. To the test file we go. Right, so let's say we have a structure that structure test that has an integer or amount random integers with a variable array size. Right, and then we could say this needs to have that. And then test, right, struct test something, or not something, array equals struct test, right? And then we can say array something equals 1, and then array random equals malloc size of int times 10. Let's do 10 ints. Okay, that's what I thought, but how do you use this then? I want to say that the yeah, I'm confused. Right, I get. Right, but why is it not gonna be? I guess it doesn't really matter. But I was kind of curious about that warning. Anyway, right? That means I can put this back up here. Okay. But let's say well, yeah, how do you know how much? Oh, I know. max. But that's only, right, because we're separating the two. So we have a max number of paths, so we're good on that. And that's probably why I made it. Right, so every time you create one, which I have to get back to, so we have our single repos. I guess I should manage this too. Oh shoot, you know what I forgot? In create, I have to change the name. Right, because this doesn't exist. This is tracked repo modified times. What's the other? Oh. Okay. Updates. Right. So, oops. So here, data, checked repo m times at the ith address. No, because these aren't strings. I just need to free it in general. Free data if nothing specified. So freeing that, then we need to free this. Info, data, info times. Oh wait, I didn't. Be free that. And then tracked repo m times equals null. If we have the untracked version, we're going to leave that out for now because we don't have that. I'm not worried about it. Oops. Right. We should do this separate though, because we need to check this. Okay. Oops. Right. So we can skip this. And then for our single repos, I won't need to do anything for this. I guess I can do it too here just to be consistent. But I won't, I don't really need to. Else, then we do that, but I also need to be like, okay, give me get modified time for info data tracked paths at the ith value, and put it in info data at the ith index. Okay. So now that is the single repos. So now this is the directory of repos. And then this is where we do it here. So essentially, buffer, folder path, blah, 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 blah. If check path assist did a check pass we malloc it. If we have an error, we do all that. Else, then we copy there, which is where I come in, and I straight passed in that. So data, we're appending it from checked files equals get modified time of the temp file path. Wait. Oh, this might be a little bit more basic. Because actually no, I don't think I have to do it in here. Yes, I do. These are the repos. Yeah, okay, I see. Where is I at though? I lost where I was at. Wait, pass this, blah, 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 yep. Okay, here we go. If we do that, we pass this, check it exists, and then here. So this is, yeah, this is the same thing I was reading. So data tracked repo times, not I, we're appending it. So at numtrack files, this equals get modified time of temp file path, yeah. Right. I think I'll do that again. Down here. Yeah, alright, cool. So that's that. I actually should be good on that. Wait, I don't need to. Not projects, get stats, dev, and then build project. Oh boy. Okay. So in function, put dir assignment to time t from struct. Oh right, I didn't make the time. I should be returning make time of this, right? Oh wait, I still don't return the right thing though here. This should be time underscore t. Time underscore t. What? Okay. So attribute storage size of attribute is not known. Did I forget to import it? We should have time in here though. No, we don't. Include time.h. Okay, where are we at? It still can't find it in function. Implicit declaration of stats. Oh, I need the systat slash stat thing. Stat.h, I think. But 689. Oh, I don't want to continue. Struct stats. This should be. Okay, it's fine now. Return null. Oh, we can't do that anymore. Return 0. But we shouldn't get to this point, so I'm gonna make this an error. Actually, no, I'll keep it as it is. Request remember to be sect. Identify time attributes. Wait, how is that not? Okay, wait, maybe I shouldn't have closed it. So we were looking for time difference. Okay, struct stats. That's right. Then we stat it with attribute. Oh, it's Tim. Whoa, close. But you can't do this anymore. Yeah, you can't do this. So 310, and then where was the other one? 340. That's not a pointer anymore. All right, so what I want to do is open this. Oh wait, GDB OBS. I don't feel like passing in the options. I'll just run it. And it'll ask me that. Can I just drag this? Oh, cool. Let's put this here. All right. So let's add get stats. And then we'll add this, but why? I don't know where all it just was, but projects. Oh, I'm still logging somewhere, but I want to actually no, I don't want to do this. I want to do break at where would I have access to it? Let's break at tick. Continue. It should have ticked already. Break at. Oh, I wrote tick. What does that even set it to? Delete. Yes. Break at get stat. Wait, no, I think it's underscore stats. Tick? Yeah, oh, I was right. Now it's run. Actually, can I continue? Awesome. So let's step. And then I want to print. Do I have info? Yeah, so print info. And it is data that I want. So I'm now looking for, I want to print out the values of tracked repo, tracked repo modified times. Okay, well, so 0, we have, why can't I access that? Oh, because I don't need to dereference it. All right, 1 should be different. All right, we're good, because these are all relatively the same time, but we now have that working. Okay, cool. That is, I thought it would be. So let's keep a consistent thing at tick. Where was I benchmarking at? Bench. Where's my bench? It's, I think it might be in here. Yeah. Timer. All right, cool. So now if I build it, I shouldn't have any issues. But what I want to do is I want to move my timer over here. Tick is what I, at the end of the day, what I care about. I don't care if update takes forever. I don't care if, yeah, I don't care if anything else takes forever. But I need timer to be quick. Or not timer, but so let's end the timer here. And then get not get modified time. What is it? Get elapsed time in milliseconds. Now I want to print it. Oops. All right, and then we want to free the timer. What did I do wrong? Oh, this needs to be the address. All right, so that's that. I want to see what this current time is. How far we gotta go, and then I'm gonna be done for now. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Actually, we're using our mouse. Okay. Oh, I did open. Why isn't it? Oh, because it doesn't get to that point. Why isn't it printing it? Oh, I didn't print it, obviously. Mm, 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 mm. All right. Oh, oh, I opened it just in time. That's crazy. I'm sick with it. All right. 85 milliseconds. God dang. But also, I'm running another instance of OBS, so I guess that makes sense. But it's at 30. I'm a bit confused how this works. Because it seems as though my performance isn't being affected. But maybe it'll happen when, yeah. Even though this is running at 15 FPS. But I guess it doesn't really matter. But also, I want it to happen within a frame. Like that would be ideal. Which means I need to get it down to um, 16 milliseconds. I think it's going to be, regardless of whether or not I need to do it, I think it'll be a fun challenge. And also, some of this needs to be refactored because it's long as fuck. And I don't think it really needs to be. But that's pretty solid.